Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your headphones JBL Tune 570 from your Android phone. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your headphones at the device list. And right here at the right side we have a button what called disconnect, and we need to tap on it. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your phone and you tap this button, it will stop Bluetooth connection with your headphones but leave it at the device list. And if you select to unpair your headphones, it will totally remove your headphones from your phone. Now let's click on it, and if we go back, as you can see, we stop Bluetooth connection, it disconnected from the phone, but we still have it at the device list, so I can easily reconnect these headphones. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.